Hi everyone, I am the founder of the Grey Blind Owl. Today we will talk about the loops and learn how we can use them. Actually, we saw a similar structure instead of the loops before, and we called it goto command. As I said before, goto is not a good way to create some repetitions. It may lead some problems for medium or big scale projects. Now, I am going to show you how you can use the loops, and we will finish the using of goto command after this lesson. I think if you really understood goto command at the previous sample codes, you can easily handle with the loops. The first one, for loop. This loop is the most well-known and used loop in C programming. You can also see this loop in other well-known programming languages. It is very popular. If you are sure how many repetitions you will use for any operation, you must use for loop. Usage. For bracket, counter, and an initial value, condition, increase the counter. Curly brackets, command, command, and command. An example. For our counter is equal to 0. Counter is equal to 0 and a semicolon. Our condition, if our I is less than 3, do that. A semicolon. Our condition and a semicolon. I++, increase the counter. I++. And curly bracket, printf I. For example, I is equal to 0 at the beginning. Printf I, our first output is equal to 0. I++, increase the counter. I is equal to 1 now. Printf I, so our second output is equal to 1. I++, increase the counter. I is equal to 2 now. I is equal to 2 now. So 2 is less than 3. So do that. Printf I, our third output is equal to 2. I++, increase the counter. Our I is equal to 3. So 3 is not less than 3. Our for loop is broken. The second one is while loop. This loop is an infinite loop until the condition is provided. We can also do the same job that can be made with the for loop by adding some additional code lines. Nevertheless, the fundamental aim in using while loop, if you cannot provide the condition, you cannot also quit from the loop. Therefore, you do not have to know the repetition number, you have to know only a certain condition or conditions. Usage. While, a condition, and comments. An example, I is equal to 0. While I is less than 0, do that. While I is less than 0, do that. So, our I is equal to 0 at the beginning. Print I. Our first output is 0. Increase the counter I++. So our I value is equal to 1. So 1 is less than 3. It's okay. Print I. So our second output is 1. I++, increase the counter. So our I is equal to 2 now. 2 is less than 3. Our condition. Print I. So our third output is equal to 2. I plus plus, increase the counter. Our counter is equal to 3 now. So 3 is not less than 3. Our while loop is broken here. You can also use break and continue commands that I mentioned before with these loops, but it is not necessary for now. You can also see do while loop and for each loop, but they are not critical needs in this level. And we can do everything that we do in for each and do while with for loop and while loop. Execute, compile and run. We include our library here, hashtag include stdio.h. We create our main function, integer main, the brackets and curly brackets. Now we create some test variables for the examples. Integer I is equal to 0. I is our counter here. And sum is equal to 0 and semicolon. We create a for loop. We will add the numbers between 1 and 5. 1 and 5. For I is equal to 1. This is our initial value and a semicolon. I is less than 5 or I is equal to 5. Our condition and semicolon. I plus plus. Sum is equal to sum plus I and semicolon. So 0 is equal to 0 plus 1. Printf sum. Here, sum is equal to 1. Increase the counter. I is equal to 2 now. Sum is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1 plus 2. Semicolon. Printf sum. As you can see, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Increase the counter. I is equal to 3 now. 3 is less than 5. So 3 is equal to 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. And semicolon. Printf sum. Our sum is equal to 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Increase the counter. Our I is equal to 4 now. 4 is less than 5. Sum is equal to 6. 6 is equal to 6 plus 4. And our sum is equal to 10 now. As you can see, sum is equal to 10. Increase the counter. I is equal to 5 now. 5 is equal to 5, so it's okay. Sum is equal to sum plus I. So sum is equal to 10 plus 5. So sum is equal to 15 here, as you can see. Printf sum. Increase the counter. So our counter is equal to 6 now, and 6 is bigger than 5. So our for loop is broken. Okay, while loop. We create a while loop here. I is equal to 1. Sum is equal to 0. While I is less than 5 or I is equal to 5. The same operations with the for loop, but we increase our counter in our loop. Okay, we increase our counter in our while loop. Here, sum is equal to sum plus I. Printf sum I plus plus. As you can see, 1, 3, 3, 6, 6, 10, 10, and 5, 5. Do while loop. this is not necessary, but I want to show you this loop, do while loop. This is the same with while, but we do the operations in the do label. Do, the brackets, the curly brackets, and while. Do, curly brackets, and the last one is while, our condition. This is the main difference between while loop and do while loop. This is an alternative. You can use that. Also, you can use that. But this is the most common usage for the while loop. We create a do while loop here. I is equal to 1 and sum is equal to 0. Do sum is equal to sum plus I and semicolon, printf sum and semicolon, I plus plus semicolon. This is the same with while loop above, as you can see. But our condition here, the last part, while I is less than 5 or I is equal to 5 and semicolon. As you can see, 1, 1, 3, 3, 6, 6, 10, 10, 15, 15. This is the same. This is the same thing. Okay, we finish our program here. Return 0. That's it for this week. Today we learned to use the for loop and the while loop. In the description section you can find the source code I used in the video and the instructions of the 3 exercises we will do next week. See you following lecture. Thanks for your patience and effort. Stay tuned.